job and responsibility, and let me introduce our guest. Miss Devi is here.
Hi everyone. Hi Rida. Thanks for inviting me today.
Hi Miss Devi, how are you?
I'm good and I hope everyone is doing well too.
So can we start our discussion now?
Sure, we can start now.
Okay, first question is what is your job?
I'm in business with my friend. He has IT skills and I have administration skills. So I work as an administration and customer service officer.
What are your main responsibilities?
My responsibilities are contacting customers, handling schedules, making a database, connecting him to the customers, asking for reviews and answering customer questions.
Do you work alone or in a team?
I mostly work by myself.
What skills are important for your job?
Communication skills, time management, problem solving skills, emotional control skills, and managing customer data. All of those skills are very important for my job.
How do you handle responsibility at work?
I prioritize my tasks, stay disciplined, stay organized, disciplined, and make sure to complete my work on time.
What do you like most about your job?
I like the opportunity to learn new skills. I love when I can handle customer problems, and I like it when customer give us a good review.
Okay, Miss Devi, thanks for your time and thank you for your experience, for sharing your experience and insight.
You're welcome, and I hope this discussion is useful.
Hello, Mr. Effort. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rida Valistia. Today, I would like to present the result of an interview about job and responsibility. Okay, the first slide is the reason why I chose this topic. I chose this topic because job and responsibility is an important part of professional life. This topic helps us to gain insight into how administration and customer service role function within a collaborative business model, and also we can explore the essential skills and personal discipline required to manage various tasks independently. So, by understanding real work experience, we can learn what skill and attitudes are needed in the workplace. This topic also help us prepare for our future careers. Next. Okay, next the second slide is job profile Miss Devi. From the interview, we learned that Miss Devi worked as an administration and customer service officer. She works in a business with her friends. Her friends has IT skills while she has administration skills. She mostly works independently, although she collaborates with her business partner when needed. Next, the third slide is main responsibilities. Miss Devi main responsibilities is connecting and contacting customer with the IT partner, managing schedule and creating database, handling customer inquiries and answering questions, requesting and collecting customer review. These responsibilities show that her role is very important in maintaining communication and customer satisfaction. Okay, next the fourth slide is important skills. According to Miss Devi, she has 5 important skills for her job. Okay, the first one is communication skills. As a customer service officer, communication skills are very needed because Ms. Devi main responsibility is contacting and connecting customer with the IT partner. The second is time management. The skills is also needed for managing schedule. And the third is problem solving. That skill is also needed when handling customer problem and answering customer inquiries. The fourth is emotional control. emotional control are also needed because Miss Devi communicates with many customers who has different personalities. And the last one is managing customer data. That skill is needed because Miss Devi has to create database. Those five skills help her perform her tasks effectively and professionally. Next, the fifth slide is handling responsibility. So, to handle responsibility at work, Miss Devi prioritizes her tasks, stay organized, maintain disciplines, and complete her work on time. This so that responsibility requires good self-management and commitment. Okay, the sixth slide is personal response. From the interview, I can draw three main points. First is the important skill of soft skills. The importance of soft skills. The interview highlights that technical skills must be balanced with strong interpersonal skills like communication and emotional control to ensure business success. Number two, discipline and autonomy. Since Miss Devi mostly works alone, her emphasis on prioritizing and staying organized show that self-discipline is the backbone of remote or independent work. Number three, value of customer satisfaction. The fact that she finds joy in solving problems and receiving good review suggests that empathy is a core component of her professional responsibility. Aside from those three things, I learned that responsibility is a key factor in every job. Good communication and time management are essential for success. And in my opinion, Miss Devi saw professionalism and dedication in her work. Okay, the last slide is conclusion. From the interview, we can draw the conclusion that every job has its own responsibilities and required skills. From this interview, we can see that being responsible, organized, and disciplined that someone's success in their career. This interview gives us a clear understanding that responsibility and good skills lead to positive result in the workplace. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.